friends, I wanted to show you how to access the Class Connects so that you have an easier time getting into those this week. You'll log in through the student account. You'll know that you're in the student account because the name is in the top right-hand corner. You'll come down here to My Schedule and click on that. This will show you the daily view with the class plan and the Class Connect schedule. We're going to go to the weekly view right here. This will show the Strong Start orientation at 10 o'clock on Monday, at 9:30 on Tuesday, and at 2 o'clock on Wednesday. If you attend this first session and stay for the entire session, you won't need to attend the other two. If these are showing at any time other than 10 o'clock, 9:30, and 2 o'clock, you'll need to click the link for the short video on how to correct your time zones. If you have any troubles or any questions, please respond to that email and we'll make sure you're on the right track.